So, we got Arnie's LTD here. I don't have that plugged in, I'm sorry. I have the Holly software hooked up. But anyway, trans controller, park, watch this, reverse, neutral drive, first gear, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And if you slow down, I'm on the lift, so it's a little bit imperfect, but yeah, battery voltage, trans temp, shifts the gears. It shifts the gears. All right, I got no dash lights and no power steering, but I got this tranny controller working like 2 seconds ago. Oh, no power steering. Park. Let me get out of my driveway and get back up. All right, so we are driving. No power steering. Oh, what a workout. Second. I did almost nothing to this tranny controller, by the way. Oh, I got some dash lights. Third. Incredible. Yeah, the front springs on this car are way too stiff, but that's you know, its own thing. So all the dash lights are going in and out. You know, we'll get there, right? Slowing down, second gear, 10 miles an hour. Wow. It's already shifting so nice. I did a really nice table from what I'm used to. Third. A little bit of shift flaring. It's got to learn. Fourth. Fifth. So we got to do transdapt and torque management and stuff yet. So it's in fifth already. Wow. Sixth. And the car is driving straight and I'm in lockup. I got a little bit of a vibration. We'll figure that out though. Very happy so far. Wow. We'll slow down. Torque converter unlocked. Yeah, the front end just bounces. It just fucking bounces like crazy. Oh fuck, no power steering. This thing needs power steering like yesterday. So the trans is going to have to be adapted, but it also needs to be driven to get trans adaptation done. A little bit of flare, a little bit of flare for fourth. Pretty awesome though. It's hitting all the gears and it's doing lockup. There's not much else you can be mad about at this point. Sixth gear, putzing along. Yeah, the front end is so stiff. It's crazy. power steering thing has got to be, I got to have two hands for that. I'm just pleased the transmission shifts. Okay, I want to show something quick here. We got reverse neutral drive. So if we accelerate, second, third, fourth. If I go back to neutral, now watch if I pull D4, I'm in manual mode. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, fourth, down to first, neutral, back into drive like normal. Yep, shifts like normal. Now if I pull, yep, I can hold third. I'm holding third. And if I bump, yep, it automatically shifts. That's perfect, just like stock. That's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting.